Hello class, welcome back to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Hope all of you are fine. Today's my topic is Java Fundamentals, Values and Data Types in Java, Part 3. Part 1 and Part 2 I already discussed in my previous videos. Here I am providing the link in the description box. So, initializing a variable. So, what is the initialization of a variable? Initialization means initialize with some value to a variable. Initialize a value to a variable. There are two types of initialization. One is static initialization and another is dynamic initialization. Let's discuss first what is static initialization. Static initialization means which is constant. Means suppose int a, it is called declaration. Int is a type of variable and a is a variable name. So I declare a variable which is int type, integer type, and the variable name is a. Now I initialize it. Initialize means giving some value or storing some value to a variable a. Which type of value we can store? Only integer type of value we can store in a, as we declare it as a int data type. If we declare it as another type of data like float, double, char in a, so we can store this type of data. That means we can store fraction value or character. So if we declare this type of variable, we have to store that type of variable. It is an integer, so we store integer value. So suppose I store 0 in a. So this is called static initialization. 0 is stored in a, and from the beginning to end, it gives the value. So it is constant. Variable gives the value we will initialize here. When we run the program, then it gives the same value. So if I write down int a equal to 5, then 5 stored in a. At the starting time of the program, before the execution of the program, it gives a gives the value, suppose 0 or 5, whatever. So this process uses direct assignment of variable with defined constant. The variable is initialized during its declaration. That is, before its actual use in the programming logic. So before it is used in the program, it is declared before. Next, dynamic initialization. Dynamic initialization means suppose a is equal to p plus k. So p k value is initialized. That means it is static initialization. But a value is not initialized at the beginning time. When it runs the program, then a value is initialized by whatever the p value and k value at it by the computer and stored in F. So p and k, this type of initialization is called static initialization, but F is not initialized at the beginning. F is initialized when program is executed. Then it gets pk value and p and k value, then add and then initialize to F. So at the run time, it gives the value of F at the program running time. So this is called dynamic initialization. Dynamic means its run time, it gives its value. So let's come to the definition. When a variable gets initialized at runtime, runtime means what? Runtime means during execution of program logic is termed as dynamic initialization. Under this situation, a variable is assigned with the outcome of any arithmetical or logical function. So, arithmetical or logical function means class is an arithmetical function. Okay. So, like this, suppose AB is initialized first and then C gets initialized when the program is running or during execution of the program. So, this is dynamic initialization. Now, what is assignment? Assignment is an operator. Equal to operator is called assignment operator, which is used to assign a variable. Suppose int A equal to 10. So, 10 stored in A. 10 stored in A variable. 10 is the value and A is the variable name and int is the type of a variable. So, 10 value stored in A and this is called assignment operator, which is used to assign or store a value to a variable. So, this is assignment operator. I want to discuss one thing here. 1 equal to is assignment operator and 2 equal to is the relational operator which checks both sides are equal or not. Sometimes the difference between these two has come to your exam, that what is the difference between equal to, one single equal to, and equal to, two equal to. So, one single equal to is this one, assignment operator, which is used to assign some value to a variable, and equal to is the relational operator, which is used to find out the relation between two sides. Two sides are equal or not. So, this is very common question in ICSE exam. So, now I think it's clear to you. Then, next is what is arithmetic expression? Arithmetic expression means, suppose x equal to a plus b is 4. So, it is an arithmetic expression. Suppose arithmetic expression has some variables, some operators and some constant values. So, arithmetic expression may contain, I again repeat, some variables, may contain some operators or may contain some constant value. Constant value means fixed value. And variables means we can change its value, and some operators means plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are the different operators. So, this is the combination of this, and after calculation of this, we get some value which goes this side. So, an expression which contains variables, in our example here A is variable, in our this example x also variable, in this example y and y is variable, then constant also, here 4 is constant, in this expression 3 is constant, and arithmetic operators, here plus, multiplication, here multiplication plus are operators. So, this is called one expression or arithmetic expression. Okay, then come to next slide. Pure arithmetic expression. Pure arithmetic expression means pure means all variables at the same time. Suppose in A, B, Y using commas, that means all are integer type variables. In type of variable, the name of the variable we are writing here using comma and at last semicolon. So, you can write down like this way also, int x semicolon, int A semicolon, int B semicolon, int Y semicolon. But in short, you can write down only int because all are same type of variable int. Int, and then you can write one comma in between. You can write down the other variable's name. So, int A, comma B, comma Y, all are variables. At last, we keep one semicolon. Then, Here x equal to a plus b into 4. A also integer, b also integer, 4 also integer. And where we are storing, this is also integer. Here a also integer, c also integer, b also integer, and where we are storing after calculation, y also an integer. So if in an expression all are same type of variables, same data type of variables, then this expression is called pure arithmetic expression. There is no mix-up. That means one integer, one character, or one float, not like this. All integers, so all integers, all floats, so all floats, all doubles, so all doubles, all characters, so all characters. So in an expression, if the variable type are same, then this is called pure arithmetic expression. Suppose here if I write down 4.5, then it is not pure. This is mixed because integer, but 4.5 if I write down, then 4.5 is not integer float. But here using 4, so this is the pure arithmetic expression. So come to the definition now. An arithmetic expression is contains same type of data item, variables or constant is called pure arithmetic expression. So same type of data item, you remember that same all data items are same type or float or whatever same data type. So this is called pure. There is no mix. Then opposite of pure arithmetic expression is mixed expression. In mixed expression, in this example you can see there is one integer variable which is called a, then semicolon, one float type of variable b, and one double semicolon end of this, and then double b semicolon. So you can write down in the next line also, integer semicolon, next line 4b, next line double b. Here I am writing the same line, you can write the separate line. So this is three different types of variables. Now in an expression we use different types of variables together. This is one integer, b is one float, and this is one double. So we add one integer and one float. Then after addition we multiply with one double, or we multiply because first multiplication. So one float and double multiply, then it adds this one integer. So it is mixed up. One integer, one float, one double, and we store in one double. So it is the mix up of different data types. That's why it's called mixed expression. Now come to the definition. An expression which includes different types of variables. The keywords of pure arithmetic expression is, it is the same type of data, and mixed expression is different types of data. Here you can get the question like this: what is pure arithmetic expression? What is mixed expression? Or mixed also called impure, or differentiate between pure and mixed expression like this. Okay. So in difference, you just write down this definition, this type and this type and this one by x. Okay. Then type conversion. Type conversion means if there are different types of variables are there in mixed expression, then we are facing problem that in which type of variable we need to convert. This is the type conversion. That means if one integer, one float, one double, then one single type of variable we need to store the variable. So this is the type conversion. This type conversion and how to solve this problem I will discuss in my next video. So please keep watching till now, till then, and please subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press on bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.